Hey guys, I'm back. Wanted you to show you all my Bobbi Boss Ocean Wave flat iron. It's nice to me. It's not like bone straight. But here you go. You guys can see it. Let's go this way. Sorry. Let's go this way. So here it is. Straightened out. I'm going to comb it to the back so you all can see the back. Comb it straight back. That's how it is, straight back. Okay, so I like it. And honestly, I thought I was gonna like it straight better, but I actually like it curly. And I'm probably gonna get it layered more. Probably like more in the front because there's only, you know, one layer right here, right there. I want another one. You know, I want another layer, basically just to shape my face. But other than that, I like it. I'm going to wash it probably this weekend. It'll be almost 2 weeks, so I'm just going to wash it so I can get the curls back. But I just wanted to flat iron it to see how it looked. And I'm not going to wrap it. I'm just going to pin curl, you know, the top, and probably just, you know, do a bun in the back, like a twisty bun in the back, so I can get the little flow and the little curl in the morning. And hopefully it'll come out. So now for my hair at the top, since this is my hair that I left out, I told you all that I'm going to get a straightening comb, in which I did, and it's the straightening tool, and I got that. And the flat irons I used were the Andis, ooh, it's kind of blurry, but the Andis multi-heat ceramic flat irons. They're not, you know, the expensive ones, but they get hot enough. And that was it. That's all I used. And I just greased my hair at the top, and that's it. So hopefully you guys like it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you think. Alright guys, till then, deuces.